Okay, so this is a demonstration of the editing and visual feedback component of the framework so far. So I've got two browser windows open. Both are logged in as the same user. The bottom window is showing the network overview or network map, and the top window is showing the realm listing. So I start by creating a new realm. I create it on the Mad Penguin organization. What it should try and do is expand the Mad Penguin organization to show any pre-existing realms, and then add this realm to it on the bottom window. And on the top window it should just add the realm to the listing of realms. Okay, so if we look down the realm listing, we have our new realm. On the map it's expanded the Mad Penguin organization and added the new realm in there as well. So if we open up realm 99, those are the details that we're playing with. So the first thing we can do, we can only select from one user at the moment because there's only one authorized user. If we add some more users, this is driven off the list of authorized or current authorized users and groups for the system. So I also have a couple of groups defined, and the icons for these users are driven by Gravatar at present. So as soon as I've added those in, I haven't saved anything yet. Any changes will provoke these two buttons at the bottom for save and cancel. That has now given me a choice of owners, so I can pick a new owner. I can change the realm name. And do a save. And we've got our new name there. We've got a new owner there. And at the bottom we've got our new name reflected there as well. So these changes are coming back from CFC as pub subs. So anybody who has visibility over these objects will see the changes reflected on their screen. If the information is visible on their screen, for example, as a part of the network map or as a part of the realm listing. What we can also do, if we open up the realm again, we can transfer this realm to a different organisation. So if we transfer it to the Siemens organisation, it will do as previously. It will open the Siemens organisation and then move the realm over. Okay, so you can see we have the change reflected in the top window under the organisation column, and in the bottom window it's moved the realm from Mad Penguin to Siemens. So I can move that back again in the same way. If I pick another pre-existing realm, change the name and move that at the same time. Okay, let's move that in as well. And these are obviously retaining their child details. So for realm A, for example, for the from crossbar realm, for example, I expand that. It has 3 platforms attached to it. I know we have some details if I open up Docker. We've got a bunch of nodes in there. If I open up those 2 nodes, okay, so the gravity machine is playing or having fun with that. So we can still do the same thing in terms of transfers. If we open that up again and move that to the Siemens organisation and save that. Okay, so we now have the from crossbar. If I just change that name to something more sensible. Say realm 1 to make it more obvious. So realm 1 is there hanging off Siemens. If I do a transfer to Mad Penguin, oops, save that, So it's now hanging off MapPenguin. So this is all happening in real time via PubSub and using the new authentication or authorization mechanism provided by the change engine.